everybody, Justina from Art Behavior, and welcome to our series of videos where we're working through emotions to try and support you and your family through times, through growth, through everything. And what we're looking particularly now is about Christmas. So when we get questions of when you feel overwhelmed with Christmas and family, how can I take a break during the busy season? So that has been quite an interesting thing and a question that I get quite a lot. And what I say to people is, remember, if you understand why you are becoming overwhelmed, the first thing is because before you stop for the season, you have a routine and structure in place to begin with. And when you stop that routine without any pre-warning, it's quite overwhelming. So what routine and structure can you put in place that you can keep the current ones that keep you going and they keep everyone okay? And then you have conversations saying, right, between these times, everybody is having their time, and this is what we're doing to work together as a team, as a family. So if it means that you'll have my time at this time, and it would be focused time, that you are not on your phone, you're not distracted, you're not doing 10 things at once. Because when you make it clear and your children know when they're spending time with you, you actually get a lot more from them. And I've even noticed this with myself, trialing it with my daughter. When I haven't been focused, then that's when she starts playing up. When I've given her my full focus for an hour doing what she wants, and she knows when she's going to see me, she then starts working with me as a team because she feels that I am appreciating her and valuing her time.